Okay, so after determining the end moments at the joints of the member, okay, you can check also the moments, no? So as you can see at joint B, 20 and minus 20. So ang sum niya is 0. And at joint C, you have 13.7 and negative 13.7. The sum also is 0. And at joint D, you have 16 and minus 16. So the sum is 0. Okay, so after determining the end moments, you place that on the members so that you can determine the shear or the reaction. Okay, so you have a BA. So you have here 10 kilonewtons. This is 2 meters. So this is AB. So since you have at B, so you will have a shear and a moment, which is equal to 10 times 2, 20 kilonewton meter. Okay, 20 na. So positive. So it is a clockwise direction. Okay, and on member BC, okay, BC, ang iyang moment sa BC is minus. So that would be counterclockwise na 20 kilonewton meter. And you have a concentrated load acting at the center. That is 12 kilonewtons. And sa CB, dire, you have a positive, so clockwise, 13.7 kilonewton meter. Okay, so you can solve for the shear at the ends. Okay, so this is 2 meters, 2 meters. Okay, so sum up moment, this is span BC, no? So sum up moment at B, you can solve for the reaction at the right, and that is equal to 4.425. Okay, so sum up moment at B equal to 0. Okay, so this is BY and this one is CY. Okay, so CY times 4 is equal to 12 times 2 plus 13.7 moment pa na, so y moment arm minus the 20 on the other end. Okay, minus 20, and then solving for CY, so you will have 4.425. Okay, so you do the same by summing up moment at C equal to 0 to solve for BY. You have BY times 4 is equal to 12 times 2 plus 20 minus 13.7. And solving for BY, that is equal to 7.575 kilonewtons. Okay, so sa span CD pod, okay, so sa span CD, ang imong moment CD will be at the left end, and since it is negative, so counterclockwise nga 13.7 kilonewton meter. And for DC, you have positive 16 kilonewton meter, no? And you have a load of varying equivalent to 15 kilonewton meter, and the length is 6 meter. So you can solve for BY, and this one here, this is CD. Okay, CD, so this will be CY and DY. Okay, so by statics, you can determine BY equal to CY equal to 14.615, and DY is equal to 30.383. Okay, for member DE, so na kay overhang, na kay 8 kilonewton meter. So you can solve for the DY, and you have here your moment. So negative 16 man, so mo nang counterclockwise 16 kilonewton meter. Okay, so if you apply this, all the shear or reactions at the joints, okay, so dire at joint B, so ang imong BY on member AB, so if you sum of forces vertical equal to 0, this is 10 kilonewtons, no? Yeah. Ang sa BY sa BC, okay, this is 7.575, no? So since they have the same direction upward, so ang BY sa AB ug ang BY sa BC i-add nimo. So 10 plus 7.575, so the final reaction at joint B is 17.575. Okay, at joint C also, so naa kay CY sa member BC, napog kay CY sa member CD. So ang CY sa BC, which is 4.425, and the CY on CB, which is 14.615, imo po ni siyang i-add kay paras man og direction. Pero og opposite gani, imong i-subtract and you carry the direction of the bigger reaction. Okay, so 4.425 plus 14.615, that is equal to 19.04, no? So this is 19.04 kilonewtons. And at joint D, you have DY on member CD, which is 30.383, and you have also dy on member DE, okay, sa overhang gapit. So i-add po da nimo sila, and that is equal to 38.383. Okay, so og reactions ra ang gipangita. So what are the reactions at joints or at the supports? Kutob ra ka dire, no? But if it is you are required to determine or to analyze the beam, so ang imong end result ana would be the shear and moment diagram. Okay. Sa so,